Hello guys, welcome back, or if you are new here, I am Tamara Todd. I'm a beauty creator and a pro makeup artist from London. Today I'm here with my model Alison and we are answering your request. We have recorded 3 video tutorials on makeup for mature skin. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very thorough skin preparation, and in the following weeks, I'm going to create a day look on Alison, and the week after I will release another video and take the day look into the evening look. I'm starting with the skin cleansing, and for this I'm using Bioderma's Soothing Micellar Cleansing Gel, which reinforces the skin's natural hydration. Unfortunately, with age, the functionality of our skin cells is changing and metabolism of each cell slows down. This and the exposure to the UV rays is the main cause for dryness and the loss of elasticity of our skin. For this reason, when working with more mature clients, I am choosing more moisturizing, more soothing and nourishing products. While applying the cleanser, I'm also giving Alison a light facial massage. Facial and body massage has many benefits. Not only it improves the blood circulation, but also by following massage lines and taking my pressure downwards towards the lymphatic nodes, I'm kind of executing a light lymphatic drainage, which means that if we had any water retention or puffiness on the skin, it also should reduce it. Light facial massage is beneficial to all of us at any age. So if you have a few moments in the morning while cleansing your face, go ahead and give yourself a light massage. This will help your face to look plumper and also less puffy in the morning. And using face halo pads, I am gently removing the residue of the cleansing gel so the face is all fresh and ready for my skincare. Next, I'm going to apply Nutrify Nourishing and Rose-Infused Hydrogel patches from the brand Pixie. Recently, I'm very keen on these patches, and as you saw in the beginning of the video, I also have a pair on. So me and Alison are nourishing our under eye area together. But the reason why I like these specific patches is because they are infused with aloe vera and chamomile, and besides the slight compress, they also soften and soothe the skin. So while patches are working their magic, I'm going to go on and add Charlotte Tilbury's Multi-Miracle Glow Balm. This is one of my favorite skincare products in my personal kit, and it can be used in 2 ways. You can deep cleanse your face with it, or you can use it as a nighttime mask. One thing I have to mention, guys, that this is not an affordable product, so I feel like using it just to cleanse your face would be an absolute waste. As to truly reap the benefits of this magic balm, you would need to keep it on the skin for at least 10 minutes, or I personally prefer to leave it on my skin for the night. And in the morning, the skin feels super replenished, moisturized, and ready for the day. Today on Alison, we used Multi-Miracle Glow Balm as a quick replenishing mask. So I am removing the residue of it with the face halo pad so I can move on with my skincare. And the next product I'm going to be using is these Hyaluronic Acid drops from Limbos. So as I mentioned before, all of my skincare today will be targeting keeping the moisture in the skin. And as you may know, hyaluronic acid is the best first step in hydrating your skin, as it helps the skin to retain and lock the moisture in. It can even hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. I'm only applying a slight amount of it, but making sure that it's evenly dispersed all over the skin. Next, I'm going to hydrate the lips using one of my favorite lip moisturizing products. This one is Laneige Sleeping Mask. If you guys don't know, you should definitely try this at least once in your life. It's the most nourishing lip balm that I have ever tried. I use it on myself and on my clients, and everybody always asks what it is that I have put on their lips. Next, I am misting the face with Rosa Damascena Essence Mist. It contains essential oils, so be careful if you may be allergic, but it is one of the most fantastically smelling and hydrating facial mists from 001 London. And for extra moisture underneath the eyes, I'm going to apply Fenty Beauty Flash Nap Eye Gel, which I really enjoy using. And I'm actually nearly finished the whole tub of it. So I think I may need to repurchase, as I really liked how it feels on the skin and how it prepares the under eye area for the further makeup application. And finally, we can move on to the last moisturizing step in this skincare preparation, which is going to be Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, but this one is light version of it. We have done so many steps of this skin preparation, and each step was deliberate, so we target the moisture in the skin. For this reason, there is no need of using the original Magic Cream, as it may be a little bit too greasy, especially pairing it with the foundation that I chose for Allison today. So for this reason, I am using the light version of the Magic Cream for Allison. So here you go, guys. This is our skin preparation for mature skin completed, and this is the day look that I'm going to be showing you in the next 2 weeks, that later on we're going to transform into this evening look. So stay tuned, guys. These are the next tutorials that I will be releasing in the following weeks. As usual, I'm very grateful for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment to help this channel grow. I appreciate and I read all of your comments, so thank you very much for supporting my channel. We are growing every week and I cannot be happier with you guys. Thank you once again, and I see you in the coming weeks.